Here we are demonstrating highway wind power generation monitoring system through ThinkSpeak. So here we are using the vertical axis wind turbine. So this will rotates when the wind comes, and we are giving this input voltage to this connection through this board to this Arduino. So on this board we connected the 8.2k 3.3k resistor as a potential divider, so that we will divide the voltage from 12 volt to around 4.5 volts maximum. Then in my microcontroller we'll program the voltage according to the potential divider, and it will display the voltage on the LCD, and it will send the same particular voltage to the ThinkSpeak through this ESP8266 module. So here ESP8266 module has a 4 connections, that is plus minus transmitter receiver, and LCD has a 8 connections, plus minus and resistor selection, enable, and 4 data bits. So we are using 16:2 LCD. So we are using this in 4-bit mode, and this is a charging circuit. From two way we can charge a battery. So parallelly we are giving the voltage to the Arduino as well as to the charging circuits. By using transformer also we can charge this battery. So just unplug this A slot, as you can see this A here, and you can see the B. So B nothing but you can charge the battery from the transformer 230 volts. So this is a two-way charging circuit. So coming to this charging circuit, it has a DB107 rectifier. It will works whenever we give the 12 volts AC supply to this one. It will rectify that and give the 12 volts DC through this capacitor. And here LED indication is there whenever the charging is done. And coming to these two diodes are unidirectional purpose. Whenever the battery get fully charged, it will not allow the battery voltage to the reverse transformer or wind turbine. So here we will pack the system in this manner. So you just plug it here as a street light application purpose, and a solar panel, this wind turbine also we will unplug these screws and will provide you that. You can just place it in this direction and screw it, and the turbine also will remove that. So before switching on the kit, we need to do some initial setups. That is same as usually. Enable the hotspot with the name of ABCDEFGHI, and a password should be 123456789. So 9 numbers and 9 letters. So 9 characters, that is A to I small letters, no space, no capital letters. After switching on this hotspot, then you can connect this cable here and switch on this. Automatically the light will get switched on and welcome message displayed on the LCD. As you can see this, the Wi-Fi module will connect it to our hotspot automatically. So you will find the name of this hotspot, name of the ESP on your phone. So just see Connect Manager. So you can see the ESP is connected. You should enable the data also. Then only it will send the details to the ThinkSpeak. So now log into the ThinkSpeak, and so after login to the ThinkSpeak, you will see the screen of My Channels. So go to My Channels. This screen will be appear after login. So just click on the highway wind power monitoring system. So here you will see the graph, right? So now you can see the time is 1:58 p.m. So you can see the time also here. So it will upload the data to the 1:58 p.m. So it will upload the data for every 15 seconds. Now I am rotating it manually. So you can see the particular voltage on the LCD. The voltage is increasing. So when the air comes, the turbine rotates. So right. So the voltage is increasing. It will upload for every 15 to 20 seconds or 10 seconds based on the internet speed to provide it from your phone. Okay. So in coming to the connections, we interface the Wi-Fi module 8 and 9 pin, and LCD 2 to 7, and solar voltage, wind turbine voltage given to the A0, and this is a 5 volts supply given to this board. So from this board we are giving the parallelly 5 volts supply to the LCD and ESP8266 from this board. So this is all about the circuit and the output execution. Thank you.